to take a look at the $2 cakes that I got in my stash video. So we got the XTerminator over here, 8-shot. This one's by Legend Fireworks. See if we got any effects on here. Yeah, I'm shooting flame balls with reports. So it's going to be a surprise cake. Wonder what it's going to be. And then we also got the 24K, 24 karat. Small size, big action. Let's hope. It's the 8-shot. Live rich with the best price on golden years. Shoots of dazzling gold effects sparkle and linger in the sky. So, we got no maker on this one. So we got Legend Fireworks Terminator and No Brian 24K. Alright, let's take a look at it. It's a 24K 8-shot. Terminator or Exterminator, whichever it is. Oop, one hit on the ground.